this game called Hot Wheels Racing. So, by the way, I did something like I played this game a lot. It's laggy. I just wanted to also we also pretty much for the rest of my channel. So, I have to explode that. And, by the way, guys, hit that like button, notification bell. Get to that silver place, and you can bother leaving comments to I'll just tell you. The silver, it's 1,000 subscribers. Gold. Diamond silver. And the ruby is the finish line. Okay, jeez, that's loud. I hope no ads come up because I don't know. No ads. Come on. No ads. Okay, thank you. I had gotten so scared there. Come on, can we unlock? We can! Oh, you know I'm going. Night Shifter, Bulletproof, Muscle Speeder, D-Muscle, Roger Dodger. Heck yeah. This car is not upgraded at all. So yeah, basically you have to put these like wheels. Whoa, that's pretty cool. So basically, you have to get stars from other levels and stuff to unlock these courses. For example, this one is muscle. And, yeah. Am I still recording? Yeah, I am. Obviously. Oh, it's my, friend. Alright. I can tell him that I'm making new videos. Guys, I'm sorry that I had taken too long to create a new YouTube video. I I didn't really have enough time. Have you guys heard that? Really, I didn't have enough time. I'll make I know normal YouTubers already do one video per day, but I might upload 2 or something. So, I also want to point out that you guys did not subscribe. So I only have 10 subscribers, and it's the beginning of my channel. I didn't even get to 10. Although I do have a good start due to the first video I have. I mean, it's better than nothing, but I almost have 50 views on that one. Ooh, this is new. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. That is really weird. I actually don't even get this track. No, ads again. Oh, jeez. Can you ever stop ads again? Okay. If I get to Google Play, peace, guys. Okay, never mind. Cheeky little boy. I didn't know. So, cheeky little boy night shifter. The Hollywood world down there looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, that's just what I wanted to. This is like more safer. Other thing. Oh gosh, that just split me. That goes so fast. It's again my friend. I'm gonna have to tell him that I was recording because he's not gonna focus. Whoa, that actually looks better. I actually thought this guy was trash. He looks cold. I didn't notice that. I thought he was just like great. Muscle speeder. Ooh, cool. Ooh, great. Oh my goodness. We only have night shifter right now. Let's just buy it. Well, I didn't get flip point for that. So basically about this game. Whoa! That deserves. That is a triple flip. This over here is a brick reverse. This over here is go forward. That far over there is full. That far over there is even if you get a lot of gems for that, it's not really that much if you think about it. And to buy a new car, it actually matters how much upgrades you have on the first car you have. To get a new car though, it would take you approximately 3,500,000 gems. You know how slow you get these gems? Oh gosh. Now, I was gonna run out of fuel anyway. But there's probably some fuel over there. I also want to point out that these car games are so good, like at least this Hot Wheels car. And so, how long is this recording? I don't know. I really don't know how much I'm recording. Oh, for this one it only costs 5,000. I still don't have one. Cheeky little boy bulletproof. Big ears are actually good. Wheelie 2. Oh, I flipped. I guess in order to be successful, you can't flip it on any time unless it says flip. So I think I have upgraded speed already. There's also, I think, grip, stability, and something else. I don't know. I think if I were to upgrade one, it would probably be stability. You clearly see that you upgraded stability, and you don't have to flip your flip. It just makes gravity feel Let's just loaded. That just happened. I don't know how much this is recording. Definitely more than that Dragon City video where I just like showcased to you what Dragon City is. Let's upgrade grip and let's go with that stability if we can. Okay. Also, I don't know how to turn off face cam, so these videos might be on face cam. These videos actually, especially when I'm YouTube, I only have probably like, what, 7? I think that I used to say. And I blew up. That just happened. Great. How much am I recording, guys? I really don't know how much this video is recording. And I'm failing this trick over and over. I'm failing this course over and over also. I think the best I got was that one where that button went. My goodness. I actually seriously don't know how much I'm recording. Oh, stunt chest. See, this is what you get. Oh, 1,000 night shifter coins. Sweet, I could upgrade speed with that. Just max out speed. It's fine. It's nothing else. I'm just maxing out speed. I want to point out that this game is fun, and you should definitely download it, guys. It's worth it. I keep on dying because I flip all the time and I fail. I flipping fail. And you also have to wait 24 hours for the stunt chest to... Oh gosh. Oh, another ad. Because whenever I go to like a different app or like just close out of this game, it completely stops recording. Like, yeah, basically. So I don't know what I'm supposed to really do, but right now I have this button. For me it's recording, but for you guys it's gonna be this like gaming pad in circular form. Double flip there. Risky, no, that's risky. Goodbye, I ran out of fuel. See, this game, it's all about fueling as well. Like, if you don't have a lot of fuel, I'm not sure how you're gonna finish the course. Unless the finish line is literally right there, but I don't even know what to say. Also, I'm really happy ever since I created this YouTube channel. This has brought me a lot of joy. Everything that I'm talking about, like, I just finally have someone to talk about this without having a real conversation. Like, you guys don't really, you guys can comment on my thoughts and stuff like that. You guys are not really talking when I'm talking. It's just the joy of YouTube is that you guys won't really disturb me while I'm talking. Meanwhile, you guys can still comment on all my thoughts. And how much am I actually recording? Okay, anyways, so, I don't really have more thoughts about this game except that you should guys definitely go rate 5 and install this. By the way, I don't know how to get sponsored by yet, so, these are not sponsored videos yet. So Hot Wheels is not. I'm not sponsored by Hot Wheels. They're not paying me, or I don't know what's the purpose in sponsoring anything. But anyways, again, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and make sure to stay happy and healthy. Also, can you guys comment down in the comments how to make merch? Because, like, for free though. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys have a happy life, and bye guys.